Hi everybody, welcome to my series Grammatical Path Common Air. Today I'll teach you about the formation of present simple tense, particularly about the first person we and second person you. I'll teach you everything step by step. So let's start. What's the present simple tense? Present simple tense is used to express habitual action, daily routine, stative condition that regularly repeats or always occurs. So some examples of stative condition. As we understand its ups and downs. We love this song. Do you know her address? You really like your friend. When I speak directly to another person regarding myself and yourself about our ideas, so I and you become we. We refer to or more person, and we are therefore said to be the first person plural subject pronoun. So in this sentence, the first sentence, you understand its ups and downs. In this sentence, you are the second person singular pronoun, the person who listens our things, our matter, therefore is said to be the second person singular pronoun. And in the second sentence, you all understand its ups and downs. In the sentence, you are the second person plural subject pronoun. It indicates two or more person. We must use the first form of the verb to make present simple tense. And in this sentence, feel is the first form of the verb. And this is the base form of the verb too, because it doesn't contain s or es in the ending of the verb. When we add s or es in the ending of the verb in feel, so feel plus s become feels. It is only used in the third person singular subject, like he feels, not he feel. Okay, he feels, she feels, it feels. For one name, George feels, but we feel and you feel. So in this sentence, feel is the linking verb or verb of thinking and feeling. And linking verb express a state of being. As when you see, touch, smell, or experience, etc. So there is no action at all, and therefore there can be no direct object, particularly in this sentence. And if this sentence has no direct object, so what is this? This, remember, this verb link or join an adjective or noun complement to a subject is therefore said to be the linking verb or copular verb. And we don't generally use the linking verb in present continuous tense. So this is the negative structure of present simple tense. And in this sentence, we don't feel cold in the morning. So don't is the shortened form do plus not. Do plus not. And it always comes before the first form of the verb, and means base form of the verb, and after the subject we. So it becomes don't. How is the second sentence? You don't feel hot in the noon. You is the singular subject pronoun, and you all don't feel tired. You all don't feel tired. So this is the subject plural pronoun. And if we find out that this is the, whether this is the linking verb or not, so we can say like this, that we are not cold in the morning, you are not hot in the noon, and you all are not tired, because we have directly connected the subject to an adjective, the subject to an adjective. So it becomes the linking verb. So this is the interrogative structure of present simple tense. And as in this sentence, do you feel good in this park? So do is always placed at the beginning of the sentence. And remember that we put question mark at the ending of the sentence. This is the question mark. So this is the subject, we, first form of the verb feel, and adjective, preposition, and demonstrative pronoun and noun. We can also say this is the prepositional phrase in this part. This is the prepositional phrase. And good is the adjective, and as well as the state of mind. Here we see second sentence, do you feel happy in this park? So do is always placed at the beginning of the sentence. This is the singular subject. And do you all feel tired in this park? So this is the plural subject. So this is the interrogative negative structure of a present simple tense. And in this sentence, don't we feel good in this park? So don't is the shortened form, do plus not. So it becomes don't, and don't is placed at the beginning of the sentence. At the beginning of the sentence. So it becomes don't. Here is the second sentence, don't you feel tired in this park? So this is also the interrogative negative sentence. And remember that we always put the question mark in the interrogative sentence. It's very essential for you. And here we say, don't you all feel cold in this room? So you refer to the all person, all of you. Okay. So some examples are, don't we remember, don't you know, don't you like, don't you understand, and don't you all feel its fragrance. So it's really very important part, an important verb. So this is the be. Be is the main verb in present simple tense, and it has three main parts, three main forms: is, am, are, particularly in the present simple tense. And some examples are like, he is a boy, she is a good girl, it is a box, I am teacher, we are brilliant, you are brilliant, you all are brilliant. It's really very important part in present simple tense. When somebody asks a simple question, do you feel good? So you have to give short answer, yes or no. Yes or no. Because this sentence starts with the helping verb do. But when somebody asks with the question word, how, where, what, when, so you have to give full information. You can't say yes or no. How do you feel? I feel very good. Where do you feel? I feel on my hand. What do you feel? I feel itching on my body. And when do you feel? I feel particularly at night. So this is called the question word. And remember that question word is really very necessary for you when you ask somebody question. And it always comes before the sentence, how, where, what, when. So we have to give full information. This is the emphatic sentence of present simple tense. So it's really very essential for you to be enlightened this one. As somebody says to me that I don't wear a sweater in the winter season, or I never wear a sweater in the winter season, but I know that it's not true, it's false, because I saw him wearing sweater many times in the winter season. So if I want to put stress on my thing, on my matter, if I want to emphasize on my thing, on my matter, So we will have to use the emphatic sentence, and the present verb may be expressed with do, by do. So you do feel cold, we do work hard. In the sentence, do express that you strongly feel cold and we strongly work hard. And this is the adverb. And remember that adverb is the most important part in the present simple tense. So here we see first sentence, you rarely feel cold. So in this sentence, rarely is an adverb. And remember that an adverb qualifies the verb that add more information about the verb, because it shows the timeline, time situation. So adverb is really very important part in the present simple tense. And second sentence, we never feel tired. So never is an adverb, and there are some examples as every day, generally, sometimes, always, etc. So we can use many types of adverb in present simple tense. And if you have any suspicion, so please write on my comment box, and please like and subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching my video.